Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the biggest drama that went down on Married to Medicine recently. You've all seen the tension between Simone, Quad, and Toya, but things just took a wild turn. In case you missed it, Quad and Toya have publicly accused Simone of being a pet of the production crew. So what's the big deal? Why are they throwing shit at Simone? And is there any truth to these claims? Let's break it down. So here's the scoop. The drama between Simone, Quad, and Toya has been building up for a while. We've seen Simone clash with both Toya and Quad on various occasions. But things really heated up when Quad and Toya accused Simone of being too cozy with the Married to Medicine production team. Basically saying that she's the show's favorite, or pet, or getting special treatment. It all started during a recent Instagram live where Quad made it clear that she felt like Simone was playing a game of reality TV more than she was being genuine. Quad was frustrated with how things were playing out in the show and she didn't hold back. I caught Quad. Someone's acting like she's the queen of the show, but honestly, I think the producers are using her as their puppet. She's doing whatever they want her to do to keep the drama alive. It's like she's their little pet. I close quotes. Yikes! Those are some pretty strong words from Quad, right? But she wasn't alone. Toya jumped in, agreeing with Quad and throwing some serious shade Simone's way. I caught Toya. I mean, look at Simone. Look at how Simone is acting. She's always at the center of everything, and suddenly she's the one everyone listens to. Something's not right. It's like she's getting her lines from the production team. I wouldn't be surprised if they are telling her what to say next. Close quote. So, what exactly is going on here? Why are Quad and Toya accusing Simone of being the production's pet? Well, let's rewind a little bit. Over the past few seasons, Simone has been heavily involved in some of the most dramatic storylines on the show. She's been in conflict with several cast members, especially Toya, and has had a lot of screen time. But now, Quad and Toya are suggesting that Simone's involvement in all of this may not be as organic as it seems. One of the main reasons for the accusations is that Simone has been at the center of a lot of drama lately, more than usual. From her explosive confrontations with Toya to a certain role as the voice of reason during key moments, it's left fans wondering if Simone is really just doing her thing or if she's playing along with what the production team wants to happen. Simone has always been known for being outspoken, but some fans are starting to question whether her reactions are scripted or if the producers are pushing her to stir the pot more. And remember, this isn't the first time we've seen accusations like this on reality TV. It's no secret that some cast members get more camera time or are asked to take certain actions to keep the drama high. Production teams are skilled at creating tension and drama on the screen, and it's not unheard of for them to encourage certain cast members to play up conflicts or take sides. But the question here is, has Simone become too much of a pawn in the production game, or is it just a case of her being herself? I've been on this show since the beginning and I've always been myself. If people think that production is telling me what to do, you're wrong. I don't need anyone's help when it comes to standing up for what's right. Close quotes. These were Simone's words. Simone has backfired, of course, calling out both Toya and Quad for questioning her authenticity. She's made it clear that she's not someone who needs to be used by production. She's been part of the show since day one, and everything she says is 100% real. Despite Simone's denial, Quad and Toya aren't backing down. They believe that Simone is getting special treatment from the producers to maintain her role as the center of the drama on the show. So where does this leave us? Is Simone really production's pet, or are Quad and Toya just bitter that Simone's been the center of the drama? It's hard to say. But one thing's for sure, this feud is far from over. Do you think Quad and Toya have a point, or do you believe Simone's just being herself? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of the Married to Medicine drama. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.